How to get $100 Lowe's promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Lowe's promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Lowe's. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can just scroll and check 10% off, $30 off, 20% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just click on it. So here is the code. You can copy it. Then click on redeem. You will be directed to the official website of Lowe's. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. As in this page, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. Just scroll and check. The process is similar to apply the code. Likewise, make sure to give a try to these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working promo code for Lowe's. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Lowe's promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.